Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded a video in like a couple of days. I've just been super tired. I haven't been sleeping well. So, I'm back with this video. Okay guys, I'm doing a stunning-ish deck. You can tell, by the cards that say no in my hand. Unfortunately, I'm going second. Ooh, Sky Strikers, I'm assuming, because, Tune. Okay, wait, why not? I don't know why I didn't Tune Table into Tune Table into Tune Table. It's a lot better to do. It would also draw. It's pretty bad, but okay, that's fine. Oh, okay. Maybe he had three of them in his hand. Well, he knew he could. Well, he still should have. I don't know. But I actually see a lot of people misplaying with that, and I'm that's pretty bad. It's not hard to do. I don't know how good of a matchup I have against Toonzaw, so I actually should have summoned this because I could just banished it and he couldn't protect it with Toon World. So that would have actually been really good in this matchup. I honestly only banished like 5 cards off of this, which is a lot. I think I probably should have against instead of the cards that draw the trillion cards. Like I don't play the Mize or anything like that in here. I just feel like it's not needed. Yeah, he sucks this matchup. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not gonna banish one of that because I'm only using it for its effect to banish the monster. It only protects it from battle, not by. Wait, what? Why didn't it let me? Oh, wait. Monster effects can't be activated. Damn it! I fucked up. I so fucked up that one. Because Inspector of Border means that it wouldn't. It can't trigger. I honestly don't think oh yeah I do. Yeah I do. I need Summoning Mail Force really bad right now. I actually think I might have lost this one. Just I can't out it because of this fuck. Ugh. That card is so bad. Yeah, I just couldn't do anything. I don't even know what to side. Plinkatops, I guess. There wasn't a lot of back rows. I'll side those out. Ash would have been really good if I could have drawn it. And Spear Mode wouldn't do that much, so I'll side out one of these, but these. Like if I had gone first, it would have been a lot better for me. But that's okay. By the way, the reason I play Pop Extravagance is I play Duality and only other search card, which makes doesn't seem pretty good, and it means that I can play more monsters. Nope. I don't know what it is, but something's been going around, and everybody around here has been getting sick. So I didn't know what to do for a video today, so I was like, screw it, I'll just do this really fun, stunning deck. Little did I know I was gonna go against one of the worst possible matchup. I've been having really bad luck lately in matchups. Dueling. Every time I switched to deck, I went against them in matchups that were really bad against my deck that I didn't see. It was weird. And that happened for hours. Somehow I'm still losing. You know, I attacked twice. I'm gonna keep that in my hand. He doesn't have to know that it's a back row. Can't scale him. Which I kind of see, some of them as I kind of didn't think about this, but it's kind of redundant because if you can't special summon, the odds of you normal summoning twice are gonna be low. You know, it's kind of dead card sometimes. But if you don't open it with False Indiana, some of them is really powerful. And you don't have to wait the normal summon on it. Man, too bad I don't play Cowboy. I thought you can't attack the time it was summoned. And I will use this. Crash, and then attack for 19. And what? Screw it. Let him know. It's game. I think I'm gonna keep the side decking in the way it is. That's a good hand. Oh, I'm going first. Cool. Okay, okay. I wonder what I'm going to pick. Oh yeah, Doomcow could just would negate the, Oh yeah, I can't special zone because of duality. That's fine. That's fine. I got this. I have not joined into Ash Blossom yet, which is weird. Oh, fuck. Okay. Did you not know that it negates, or did you... I don't know. I remember people actually... I remember this build with Red Eyes, Blackstone of Legend, or whatever, because... You could use it to summon Toon Red Eyes Black Dragon, which is pretty good. I mean, it is pretty good. Most of the back row I have isn't really great against Toons, but yeah, why would I infinite impermanence that? Again, you can't attack, but if I did infinite impermanence it, he would be. There we go. There's that Ash Blossom that I've been wanting. Piece of crud. Now that I don't need it because you don't have Toon tables, but that's fine. Shit, I forgot about that. I had to strike Doomcow. Shoot, man, that sucks. I just misplayed so hard. I didn't know it was an activated effect. I thought it was a just kind of like it happens kind of thing. Good news is you can now get rid of anything. That was a little redundant, but that's okay. That's okay. We still got this. like, this is why tunes are bad. They put way so much, which is weird because they have so much ability to search with red eyes, to do contents, etc. Terraforming to get to the kingdom and whatnot. But they don't play a lot of monsters because there's not a lot of good toon monsters out there. Man, that Eden, that 600 is poking the hell out of them. By the way, these are anime sleeves, like from the, nope. I guess the god that he has need Toon World, but he doesn't have access to Toon World until to that. But I can't get to a monster. So many ways to say no. I should have actually cited out Solemn Strikes. Not that I've really seen them, but okay. Again, I don't know why you didn't Toon Table and a 2 table, but okay. Also, you do know I could Spanish it, right? Anything you summon. Whoa, what the heck? I see. Hmm. This is protected from. So this actually doesn't protect it from warning because, uh. Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't protect it from warning because it has to be on field first. Nah. Nope. No, thank you. Really, he didn't negate it. I figured he would. With Solemn Judgment in my hand, oh, not in my hand, but set, and the warning set, I just won the game. That just guarantees me a win. Plus, I have doing Mirror Force and 7 limit and play. Like, there's no way he's gonna be able to Yu-Gi-Oh! So many ways to say no. Wait, why didn't it get destroyed? Oh, it did. He has another one. You know what? That's cute. That's cute. That's fine. Because I got Solar Mirror Force, right? So I get this bastard back in my hand. You think he thinks he's cute, taking my monks and attacking me with it. Nope. Not happening. Nope. One, two. You get something that he has to negate. That's game. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe and everything in the comment section below. Actually, give me 1 second. I'll be waiting. I figured I'd do deck profile since I saw side decks, but yeah, I didn't get to really see what the cards, all of these cards are. Not everybody knows every card in the game like I do. So anyway, 3 Inspector Border, 3 Color Knight, 3 Dunking Rayo, 3 Fossilizing and Puccio, whatever. 2 Eden Millennials, 3 Ash Blossom, 3 Part of Duality, 3 Part of Extravagance, 1 Solemn Judgment, 1 Solemn Warning, 3 Solemn Strike, 1 Macrocosmo, 1 Individual Order, 3 Summon Limit, 3 Snowy Mirror Force, 2 Heavy Storm Duster, 3 Infinite Impermanence. Extra deck, 1 Nightmare Mermaid, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Cerberus, 1 Nightmare Unicorn, 1 Nightmare Griffin, 1 Clara and Rushka the I can't pronounce that. 1 Link Rebo, 1 Land, 1 Underclock Taker, 1 Proxy Dragon, 1 Trigate Wizard, 1 Warlord, 1 Spore Sword, 1 Skull Dread, 1 Topological Bomber Dragon. Side deck, 3 Winged Dragon Raw Field Mode, 3 Dino-Wrestler of Pinkatop, 1 Eden Millennial, 1 Fossil Diana, 1 Heavy Storm Duster, 2 Anti-Spell Figurants, 2 Rivalry of the Warlords, 2 Golden Match. So that's my deck profile. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I hope y'all have a great day. I'm actually uploading a little earlier than I normally do, but that's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed. The card link comments below. I'll catch you guys later. It's the Jinzo. Signing out. Bye.